Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenario series. Today we are going to discuss to the another real-time scenario in the Lightning Web Component. Actually it is the extension of the previous video. In the previous video we are discussing about to the how to get by the product details without using the Apex class. When I am selecting to the particular product, that product information we can able to display into the in the LWC component, that is we have discussed in the previous video. So this is the extension to the this video. So now in this video, what is the our use case is the when we are going to select by the product, user can enter by the discount. User can enter by the discount. So if discount is the extended by the means it is the exceeded by the more than that. For example, one of the product, that is the discount up to accept by the 10, some other product accepted by the 15 percentage. Okay, so let me show you, that is each product have the separate we have the products discounts. So sales products. So let's come to the here, click on all. Already it is the data in my system. So we have the discount field, also custom field. So for example, Dell is the up to, they can give it by the 5% discount. HP also give it by the 5%. Lenovo, they can give it by the 7% of the discount. Of MacBook, up to 10% of the discount they are providing. So user might be entered by the, for example, 8% of discount of the Dell. So we have to display some error message, discount cannot exceed the more than this percentage. This is the dynamically, right? Each product has the separate discounts, separate discounts. So how to handle this one, how to handle this one, we can discuss to the step by step in this video. So before going to that, I will show you. So for example, here we are going to select by this some HP count is the, for example, 24 or something. Error message we have to display. This error message we have to display. So how we are going to display by the, these toast messages? How to display by the toast messages? And different product, if you select the here now, automatically it will be the changed. Here it is the 6% showing. So for example, if you are going to select by the Dell something, so here I am going to give it by the another 24. This is also by the 6% of the percentage. Okay. So let me come to the Apple. So let me refresh by the page. I'm giving by the unique message. So like this, we are going to display it by the message. We are going to display it by the message to the each product wise. So 6% only we are giving as for this environment. Okay. So how we are going to implement by the this use case, we can discuss to the in this video. We can discuss to the in this video how we are going to achieve by the this use case. Dynamically we can get it by the discount, and we can give it by that discount information only. So as for the best practices, we are don't write by the directly error message into the show toast message. So we can handle by the user friendly purpose. We can create the one custom label. In that custom label, we can give it by the our error message. That error message we can able to access into the means that custom labels information we can access into the LWC. After that, we can replace by the data with 5% or 7%, 10%. So how we are going to achieve that one? How we are going to achieve to that one? So in this video, we are going to learn about to the how to access the custom labels in the LWC, and how to replace by the text dynamically if it is the 5% or 10% or 7%. How to display by the dynamically replace by the text, and how to get by the wired data. For example, we are getting by the data from the wired, that is we discussed in the previous video. So that data, why? Because discount we need to compare it, how to get it by the that wide information. So let's see the in this video step by step. So come to the first, I am going to create by the one custom label. Click on the setup. So search with the custom labels. Let's create the one custom label here. So click onto the new. So here we are going to give it by the custom label name is the discount error. Okay, so discount cannot exceed more than. So how much as for the requirement? 5% or 7% or 10%? We don't know. Might be in future we are going to add by another product also with a different discount. Might be this is also we are going to update it by the discount 5% to 7% also. So we don't know. So that's why here we have to just to replace by the information. Cannot exceed by the more than 10% or 5%. So here we can give it by the discount value. I'm giving by the something like this. Okay, so we are going to replace by the discount value by the here. How we are going to replace by the this text we can discuss. Okay, as of now discount cannot exceed more than, cannot discount by the more than, this is the here. How to replace by the text also we can discuss. That's why I'm giving to the discount value here. Okay, so let's save this. So our custom label is the ready. Now how we are going to call it by the this custom label into the our LWC component. This is earlier we have discussed. Okay, so let's come to the here. In the previous video we already discussed by this code, so we extended to the that functionality, right? So how we are going to call it by the custom labels. So here we have to the import. So here we can give it by the something, any naming your wish, discount error. So from at the rate Salesforce slash labels we have to use it. Why? Because we are going to import by the labels. So that's why import by the labels c dot custom label c dot. So here our label name API name you have to take it. Don't take it by this one. You have to take it by the API name. This is the API name. So copy here you have to use it for this one. Paste it. Okay, you can write it by the exactly name, API name, we have to use it. So how to import the custom labels means you can give it by the any naming conversion here. And then here we have to import from the Salesforce slash label slash c dot our label name. Okay, so we can store it by this information into the one of the property. So here discount error message equals to discount error. This is the variable. Here we are taking na. This is we are storing into the one of the property discount error message. So let's save this up to here. As of now, we can see how to get by the custom label information and how to display the in the LWC component in the HTML. So now here, as of now, temporarily I am displaying by the here discount error message. Custom labels just we are displaying, that is I am showing to you the here. How to display by the custom labels information or data. Okay. Let's save. Deploy this one. Right click onto the here. Deploy to the source arc. It's deploying. It is deployed successfully. Let's come to the arc. Refresh by the page. See here, discount cannot exceed more than this one. What we are given here in the custom labels, that content will be the populated by the here. So why? Because means in future clients wants to or business want to change by the any data directly, they can change it by the here only. They don't to rely on to the LWC component. They don't want to rely on to the custom LWC component. Why? Because then they want to change it by the any error message directly. They can come to the in the custom label. Then they can able to modify it by the this information. Okay, custom labels information. Okay. So now here discount cannot exceed by the more than this one we can extend. Okay, we can change it by the content. So now I'm going to remove this one just for the test showcase purpose. I'm added by the here. Let's save and deploy. So our next goal is the we need to get the discount value. Actually here we are displayed by the discount value. That's it fine. But how to get it by this discount value? Let's come to the here. So here I'm going to take it by one property get discount. Okay. It will return by the discount data. So here we have to the if we have the data where we have the data this dot product dot data only then only we can return, otherwise we don't want to get it by the product price. So here we have to take it by the return this dot already we discussed in the here now how to get it product dot data dot fields dot discount dot value. This is product dot data dot fields, which fields information discount field information data, so discount dot value. So that's why here product dot data dot fields dot discount API name. This is the we have to give it by the as is API name dot value. So now this will be the written by the discount value. What is the discount value? Written by the this property we are getting by the data. We are getting the data. It is written to the discount value. This is the get method. It is written to the discount value. What we are fetching now while on changing the so on selecting by the product automatically called by the this wire method, it will return by the product information. In this we are queried the name, price and discount, these fields information. So from this product we have to get it by the when it is the changing now automatically called by the get method, also get discount method. So get discount method, it is written by the discount value, discount value. Okay, let's save this. So this is the next step. So these are the we discussed now custom labels, how to access in the LWC and how to get the wire data in the JS. In the JS we are getting by this wired information means product information. So our next step is the how to displayed by the information means error message. How to display by the error message, right? So while handle the change na, so here we have to user enter by the discount value. So user wants to enter by the discount. So that's why here we have to take it by the one input field dev disc or so here dev lightning input type equals to I'm going to give it by the integer for numbers only, right? We need to accept, so that's why 10 or 20 15. Okay, so label discount. So let's save and deploy up to here first. So input field user can able to enter by the discount. Okay, so let's come to the here, refresh by the page. So del I'm selecting here discount, they can able to enter. They can able to enter by the discount. I'm trying to typing by the text. So it is not accepting by the text. I'm enter by the TEST test. See here, it is not properly entering. Okay. So it is not accepting by the properly to the that um text details. Okay. Now we can enter by the discount here 10 or 20 like this. When I'm enter by the discount, it is exceeded by the this one 5%. This product information is the 5%. For example, if I am going to select by the MacBook, see here, Mac value how much? 10% of the discount. So cannot exceed by the more than 10 percentage of the MacBook discount. So how to display by the error message? We can use it for the show toast message, right? So before going to that, when they are enter the um, discount value, we need to hold it now. So that's why here we have to take it by the on change handle discount. When user enter by the discount, we need to hold it now. So that's why here we have to define the one more method event. So here we have to the constant c discount event to dot target to dot value. It is returned to the what we are entered. For example, I am entered by the 10 or 20 or 15 of the discount that will be stored by the here. Now here we have to compare. Now we have to compare to the this discount and this discount is equal or less or more. Equal or less or more we have to check it. Why? Because if it is the exceeded by the discount, exceeded by the this discount, we need to throw an error. We need to throw an error. So that purpose I am taking by the separate one more here handle show toast message. Generic this is I am taking reusability purpose also. Yes, title. Yes, message. Yes, variant. Already we know, right? Source message. We have the title, message, and variant. In the variant is the error or success or info or warning. These are all the different types of the variants. Different types of the variants. Okay. So that's why here we have to title is the success or error or warning. Message, what type of the message you want to display, and what is the variant. What is the variant we want to success or error that is. So here we have to take it by the constant c event equals to new show toast event. So in this already we have discussed on three parameters: title, so s title. So next is the s message, s variant. Sorry, here we have to give it by the message. Here we have to give it by the variant. Okay, title. So S message, S variant. We have to pass it by the data to the from this method to this method dynamically. Either success or error or warning, any kind of the information. Okay. So finally we have to dispatch to the this event this dot dispatch event. Then only it will be the triggered. Then only the our message will be the triggered. See event. So if you want to use it by the show toast messages, we need to import by the show toast message as well, right? So here we have to import by the show toast messages. Show toast event from lightning slash platform show toast event. So then only we can able to use it for the this show toast to message. Then only we can dispatch by the our message. Then only we can utilize to the this show toast event. Okay, now we can call it by this method from the here. So when we are going to call it this one, if discount greater than the this discount, discount is the greater than the this discount. Okay, so this dot discount. If it is the more than, if it is 5%, we are entered by the 7%. It is the executed by the this if condition called by the this show toast message method. This dot. So now we have to display by the error, right? So that's why error. Now here message is the our message. What is the message we are getting from the custom label now? We are getting by the custom label. So this is the our property discount error message. Here you have to give it by the this dot discount error message. Why? Because here we are not given by the statically. In future clients want to change the any error message, they go and change it by the error message in the custom labels. They are not depending on to the LWC component and developer. No need for the depending on to the developer directly. They can change into the custom labels automatically updated by here also, right? So next is the variant. Variant is the we have to give it by the error. Okay, this is the, when the discount is the more than to the what we are enter the discount. Okay, let's save deployed by the, this whole component. It is deployed successfully. Let's come to the here, refresh by the page. So now I'm going to select by the Dell. Dell is the 5%. Now I'm going to enter by the 7%. See here, discount cannot exceed more than. Discount cannot exceed by the, we are going to replace the value now. That's why it's not showing 9%. Discount cannot exceed more than. Okay, so let's see the here. We are not properly displayed by the title. So here we have to give it by the title now. So typo mistake. So this is the title. So let's save and deploy. Let's refresh. So now I'm going to give it by the 9% error. Discount cannot exceed more than 5%. We need to display this message. We are actually not showing to the end user. So here we have to display by the error message. Okay, how to replace by the value? This discount value we have to replace by the final step. How to replace by the this one? Let's come to the here. When discount is the more than, right, then here we have to take it by the this dot discount error message equals to this dot discount error message dot replace method. We have to use it for the replace. In this replace, what we are going to replace? So this is right, we are giving to the discount value. With what we are going to give it? This dot discount. We are going to give it by the, this discount price. Instead of this, we can give it by the our discount value. Okay. So then plus percentage symbol. Percentage symbol also, if you want, you can use it by the, in the custom label. That's it will also be the file. No need for the here. We can use it for the percentage symbol. So let's come to the here. We can edit. Percentage symbol I am giving by the here. So let's come to the here. This is the replace. How to replace by the text. Any kind of the text we can replace. This dot in this. This is the stored by the our error message. Now replace by the this one discount value with our discount product to discount. Now how much 5% or 7% or 10%. That is we are giving by the here. So this message we are passing to the here in this toast message. In this toast message. Let's save and deploy. So refresh by the page. So 9. So discount cannot exceed by the more than 5%. If I am going to give it by the 3, let me refresh. Okay, 5%, right? We are given. That's why it's not showing the message. More than only, right? For example, if I am going to select by the Mac, I'm going to give it by the 12 percentage. It is showing an error. If I'm going to the 1 percentage, it will not throwing any error. So if I'm going to give it by the 4 percentage, it will not give it by any error. 4, 5, 45. So discount cannot exceed more than 10 percentage. Here you have to observe this is the 10 percentage. If I'm going to select by the some other HP, if I'm giving by the 8, I think it's not refreshed properly. So refresh by the page. So 5 percentage. Okay. Let me take it by the here. Mac 19. So it is showing the 5 percentage only. It is showing to the 10%. Now let me check it. So here discount value cannot be the changed. This dot discount. So it is not getting by the latest to data, right? So better to otherwise we can directly store the this dot product dot value. Okay. Instead of this also without writing the this get method, directly you have to write it by the here also. What is the our product name value now? So here we have to take it by the constant discount equals to directly also we can use for the here without to get it by the data directly. So you can hide them here. Discount. So you can remove by this keyword directly. You have to use it for this one. Okay, let me save and redeploy. This is also be the fine, but directly we have to get it now. This is not refreshing by the data. That's why I'm writing by the here. Okay, so let's come to the here. Refresh by the page. MacBook 10 percentage. It is showing HP. Still it's not refreshed by the page. Refresh. Let me check it by the Visual Studio once again. Okay, let me check it by the here discount what we are getting first. Let me take it by the one alert method. Actually, it is discount coming or properly or not. So here discount. So let me save and deploy. Let me refresh by the page. So it is the 5 percentage. I'm going to give it by the 9 percentage. 5 is the return. So it is showing an error properly. Now we are going to select by the MacBook. Why? Because it is the 10 percentage. Now I'm going to give it by the something 15%, but it is also be written by the 10. What we have here in a discount, that is written by the 10. Okay, 10 also be the fine. 11 I am going to, or 12 I am giving to the here. Okay, message only the not be the updated. Actually, what we have, this product value means this discount value is the return. So I think so. This is not updated by the properly. Okay, let me. This is the same value. It is not replacing. I think so. Let me take it by the here local variable constant C message. I think it is the same variable we are replacing and storing. Might be it is miss up. So that's why here I'm taking by the one local variable, that is the constant C message I'm taking. Let me check it now. Let me refresh by the page. So MacBook, I'm giving by the 23 percentage. It is showing the cannot exceed by the more than 10 percentage. So let me select by the Lenovo. Lenovo is the 7 percentage. I'm going to give it by the 8 percentage. 7. Now it is updating now. So it is 7 or 10. What is the discount? That will be the updated. Now again, I'm going to select by the MacBook. So I'm going to give it by the 23 percentage 10. Now it is working fine. So I think so earlier what happened means this message is the same. We are storing it to the same variable. It is not updated by the properly. Now we have to take it by the one local variable or property, that is we have to store by the, our discount replace value. Okay, so this is the overall functionality. Okay, how we have to get by the custom labels and how to display the custom labels text into the LWC component, and how to replace the text also. If you want to replace by the any text also, we can dynamically replace by the text value like 7% or 10% or 20 percentage. Okay, and we have to get it by the data like this also be the fine, or directly without using by the get method also directly you have to use it for this dot product dot, this is also be the fine. This will also be the fine, this will also be the, you can choose by the anyone is the okay. Okay, this is the our use case. I hope it's clear how it was the implemented. Stay tuned for the more real-time scenarios. Thank you.